hello, adab, sat sri akal, namaskar, and a very good evening to all you happy people. Today we bring you something which is absolutely special. It's the Willys M38, an extremely rare Jeep. It was manufactured from 1950 to 52, approximately 45,000 pieces across the world. This one has been painstakingly put together by a gentleman by the name of Gulrez. Now, today I happen to be in the august company of Jeep enthusiasts who have a lot of knowledge and respect for these beauties. So actually this Jeep had three takers. One was Mr. Fawad Arif. He was number one. Number two was myself, and ultimately this Jeep went to Rehan. Rehan, please say hello.
Hello.
And Sami. Sami, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
So these are the two gentlemen who've actually got this M38. What we will do is we'll show you the Jeep all around. We'll show you the key features of the M38. And then Rehan is going to take that Jeep from there through the river over there. So hold on to your horses. We will show you this Jeep up close and personal. So here we have the proud owner, Mr. Sami, who will tell us about this Jeep. Sami, इसमें भी 7 slats हैं. How is it different from the MB and GPW?
ये जो लाइटें होती हैं उसमें अंदर होती हैं.
हाँ.
इसमें बाहर है और वाटरप्रूफ है ये लाइटें.
With the wire grill on trip. That is one of the key features of the M38 is the wire grill. And if you see the slats, the last ones are slightly slanted versus the straight slats of the GPW and the MB. Will you tell us about
हॉर्न.
जी
ये जावा के हॉर्न है ये.
जावा के हॉर्न लगे.
जी.
हाँ.
और ये लाइटें
जी.
Elvor की.
हाँ. हाँ.
ये खुल जाता.
Wow.
ये आसमान से नहीं दिखती जब ये गाड़ी.
So they are like they are modified blackout lamps.
जी.
Okay, and when you were in the field, you needed these blackout lamps. I will show you a few more features of the M38. It's got these slats over here. So when you're looking for an M38, this is important. And these, इसका आपको मालूम है क्या?
जी ये जब पैराशूट से फेंका जाता है
हाँ.
तो ये इसके अंदर
हाँ.
होकर आती है.
बिल्कुल. Then you've got the small blackout lamps. So the reason these lights were not recessed and they've been they're protruding out is these are waterproof lights. One of the key features of the M38 is that the body, and we'll show you the snorkel and everything. This car actually is so cool that it can work underwater, meaning when it's submerged. And if you remember, we showed you the video of the M38A1. So this was just before the M38A1 was the M38, and most of the features of the M38 then went into the M38A1. सभी ये भी blackout lamp यहाँ पे है. हाँ. फिर आगे चलें. It's got the D rings, both the D rings.
जी.
हाँ. Normally there's a rope which goes around the bumper, but here they've got another contraption which will soon be changed.
ये बदल लेंगे हम कुछ टाइम बाद इसको.
क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
इसको बदल लेंगे हम लोग.
हाँ, क्योंकि द ओरिजिनल में रोप आती है. हाँ.
लगा दिए उसको बदल लेंगे.
अच्छा, आइए इस तरफ चलते हैं.
जेरी के.
The jerry can is an added feature. It's got the 4.5-inch petrol tank. The tank itself should have been it should have been 13 gallons, but currently because a lot of the parts of these Jeeps got changed because the part supplier was common to Willys and Ford, so a lot of the parts got interchanged, and this needs the 13-gallon gas tank. This is the original steering of the M38 with the indicator. If you see, it's got the handbrake. It's got the choke. So it's got the throttle, which actually acts as the cruise control. It's got the choke over here. All meters and the dash is original. These meters are actually new. However, it's still they've been changed because the older ones were a little worn out. It's got the data plates over here and the glove box right there. There's a gun stand and the starting switch. We will start the car and show you a little later. So it's got the starting switch and the foot start as well. So Sami, you've got the wireless kit over here. Is this working? And then the jerry can. You've got the bumperettes and the D-rings behind the bumperettes, the hitch. And essentially what happened versus the CJ3A is they gave this over here and they locked it in the M38. So technically the tire should have been on the side, but in the M38 they brought it behind and they've actually, if you see, they've bolted up the back gate. The blackout lamps, the reflectors, the trolley socket. So one of the other differences from the GPW and the MB were the shovel and the axe moved to the passenger side. And if you're looking for the M38, they'll have these indents over here. And that tells you that this is an M38. If you're out looking for the M38, those indents are absolutely key. You've got the fire extinguisher, the snorkel. We'll just talk you through the snorkel in a bit. So one of the other key features of the M38 was there's a cutout in the bonnet from which the snorkel comes out. The snorkel actually goes where you see the windscreen over here, right up there, and the exhaust goes up, and this Jeep can actually work underwater. And Rehan is going to show you that pretty soon. I happen to be in the august company of people who have a lot of knowledge about these Willys and especially the M38. And they will tell us a little more about it. But all in all, this is one for keeps. My congratulations to Rehan and Sami for acquiring this one over Fawad, Arif and myself. This one is a collector's. If you want to keep something in the family, only 45,000 exists in the world. This one is the one you should keep. There are many more features, but overall, fabulous Jeep. It actually runs on 24 volt. It's got two batteries. One is under the hood and one is right here. Everything about this Jeep is pure class, and another word of thanks to both the owners for letting us bring this Jeep to you. They're going to show us some stuff that it can do, so we will wait for that now. So just to show you what is under the hood, Rehan was very keen that we show it to you. The battery box currently is missing, so that will be acquired soon and put. It's an original Jeep engine. There you go. You can see that Jeep. It's got an alternator versus a dynamo. I think that's a practical thing to do, and although all the original parts exist, but yes, it's got an alternator over here versus a dynamo. Everything else is in order. It's the Go Devil engine, which produces the power of 60 horses. As clean under the hood as it is outside. So hats off to both the owners. Just one more time, the Jeep is so beautiful. I thought I'll show it to you once more. There you go. The M38 on the jerry can. beautifully put together. One of the few M38s in India. So enjoy it, and we shall show you what it's capable of doing. A little more about it. It's a heavier Jeep compared to the MB GPW and the 3A. It is possibly the slowest out of the lot because the engine remained the same and the Jeep got a lot heavier, but absolutely beautiful. So enjoy it. So that was the story of the M38, an extremely rare Jeep, very nicely and painstakingly put together by the previous restorer. So a word of thanks out to him, a word of thanks to the people who made the video. Kamal, my nephew, and Fawad Arif, they put together the video. Ayan was missing, and they did a fabulous job, and a thank you, Kamal, for organizing this for us. If you enjoy it, please press the subscribe button, and we'll keep coming back to you. So adab, sat sri akal, namaskar, and have a lovely morning, all you happy people.